Hey everybody, welcome to an unboxing. This product has been out for quite a while. This is Apple AirPods with the wireless charging case. This is the second gen of Apple AirPods, and they don't really call it Gen 2 or 2 or anything like that, but it's the second version, the newest version. They also have the ones that don't have the wireless charging case, and then they also have the AirPods Pro, which we are not going to get just because I haven't seen that they are any better than these, really. These are more comfortable from what I've been told. So we're just going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing and setup of these bad boys. I'm going to pair them to my iPhone XR and go from there. So figure out how to work these scissors. Let's do a little line here. You guys can see how uncoordinated I am. There we go. We got some action now. All right. Peel the plastic off like an excited boy getting ready for Christmas time. And it's cool because these are raised. I don't know if you can see that in the camera, but they're bumped, little bumpies. All right. Let's take these things. Take this off. We got nothing there. Got designed by Apple in California. And we got the AirPods themselves. Gonna look at the literature, which just comes out the top. I just realized AirPods, it's probably a quick start guide, right? Turn on Bluetooth, connect AirPods, start listening. And the back side is how to control the AirPods, how to charge them wirelessly, which is pretty simple. We've got regulatory stuff, safety and handling, and stuff about the warranty. No Apple sticker. Aw, I'm kind of sad about that, but as we can see, yes, they gypped us on the Apple sticker. So it's got a little pull tab right here. Lift them up and out, and I'll get quiet so you can hear what this sounds like. A lot of people like that, right? I guess that's as far as that goes, and then we go this direction. All right, here they are. It's got a matte band that goes across the back. Looks like a little button thing right there, but it's probably something to do with the charging. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but there's a little circle thing right there. This is the front side and the little charging light. I guess the first gen had the little charging light on the inside, so when you open them up, you would see it there. So we see it pulsing there. I'm gonna close it back up, make sure there's nothing else in this box. There's a little tab. Huh? Oh, the actual charge cord. I love these. I like having plenty of charge cords. This thing looks like it just goes boom. Boom. Like a little coiled up snake. So we got a brand new lightning connector. So you can charge these, of course, with the lightning port, or you can do them wireless Qi charging there. So we'll go ahead and set them up. Actually, I kind of want to look at them, right? It's a little magnetic case here at the top. And just pull one of the AirPods out. There you have it. A little stem with an earbud on it. Figure out how to put that back in there. I'm new, guys. I'm new to these. I've never even held these before. Okay, so as far as I know, without reading any instructions, you just take your phone, you unlock your phone, you got it sitting here, and you just open this up. And look, we've got an animation here. It says AirPods. And it's just twirling around, looking all awesome. We're gonna hit connect. It's gonna say connecting. Announce messages. It says have Siri read out messages without having to unlock your iPhone. Siri will avoid interrupting you and will listen after reading messages so you can reply without having to say HS. We're gonna announce messages because that sounds awesome. And then it shows our current batteries with them spinning around. 83% on the pods, 79% on the case. And they're connected. Can you see that screen? I'm running out of battery, but they're not. So I guess they're just connected now, guys. So that's the unboxing and first look of the AirPods with wireless charging case. I'm gonna definitely test them out, try them out, and all of that. Maybe I'll make a follow-up video on what my experience has been and what my wife's experience has been after using these things for about a week, and go from there. But they're very cool looking, and the experience with connecting them is so cool. You got that little spinning animation. See right there, it's just about worth the price just watching that. All right, guys. Yeah, so the follow-up video, look for that. And basically I'll discuss what they sound like and how they've operated over the past week, what they're like in phone calls. That'll be like a real-life usage video for these things. All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful day. Sub and like the channel if you feel like it. You know, if you feel like it. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.